Hey everybody, I'm Go Veer, Go Home. Thanks for joining us today. About 10 years ago, Mark, Dave, and myself did one of my first live streams. It was uploaded to Facebook, and now that they're going to be removing all videos, I thought it would be great to upload it here for everybody to see. Now, it was originally 3 hours long, but I've cut it down to about 25 minutes. And it's just some clips of us running some trains, having fun, cracking jokes. And I hope you all enjoy this. Thanks. Uh-oh. No good could come of that. David joined. Why would David join? That's silly.
Why is it always doing updates? Kris, do you ever turn this thing on, man?
Once a week.
Don't lie to me. Alright, I know.
Alright, fine. It's Windows 10, that's why.
Dude, I have Windows 10 at work and at home when I don't update this stuff. Then again, I pretty much have it on everything. It's better if it's on like a screen. Yeah. Which is the problem with that, because it's so long. It's so hard. Maybe up here, maybe?
Let's move some of this stuff. I'm gonna do like a different kind of view here. Probably see it coming over the
plant. That's the water bottle.
If you want to steal some of my LRC cars for that, you can.
Yeah, I was hoping to.
I'd have to back up 1800 here at some point. I can get the four-wheel and I can that sort of stuff.
Well, there wouldn't be any way for him to get around. We have to move one of them anyways. So.
Okay, this is.
I gotta say, having it up so high is so sick.
It's because you get the.
Yeah.
I don't like the bird's eye view to it.
Yeah, no, this is great. Great height. If I was gonna do another one, it'd be definitely this or height, even higher.
It's just the reach sometimes for
Yeah.
certain.
So, well, you can ask me, but the way
Someone called Stephanie is watching us.
That's my wife.
I know.
We're up to no good.
yeah, at least you never have to worry about Kris doing drugs.
No, sorry, I'm taking advantage. It's in selfie mode, right?
I guess so, yeah. Seems that one.
Here's Kris. Here comes the LRC passenger train around the ethanol plant.
Dave, do you have one of my LRC ones there? It should be just by the little plastic
Sorry?
bucket.
LRC what?
You know the magnetic one? It should be just under the.
Oh, yes.
Is it on? The nozzle run of the P42.
Some freight going on here.
If I would have been faster, we'd have both coming at both times.
Yeah.
That's a sick shot. Is it good running?
Oh, that's close. I'd honk back, but I can't. There's no center way. Loco.
Gotta get on that.
Oh, that's your job. I don't have the quarter.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, you can solve today if you want. You get soldering iron for it?
Yeah.
I do. That's crap.
I'll do it at I'll take it with me if you want.
Yeah?
I can drop it off. I can give it to Kris like next week. Like Saturday when he comes.
That'd be awesome. I have two actually. I want.
And if it somehow goes missing in between there,
Yeah.
I have no idea.
There we go there. Oh, thank you. The pond's still frozen over. That's why the car's late. Nice winter season.
Hey Kris, how's it going?
Honey, I want this for our basement. Bigger training room, please.
Oh, you got a like?
Yeah!
Hey, did you like yourself? Are you on the video?
I can't if I quit the app, the train will stop.
She wants you to steal it from you. She wants you to strong arm it, lift it up the stairs. There's no way he's getting it. There's no way I'm getting this up the stairs if I ever have to move.
Process the same thing we did before. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à Via. phone case.
So I'm not sure if this is going to be the full-on layout of how I'm going to have it, but I just kind of sat things here just for now, just to kind of get a feel of it. But so basically, tracks, the incoming tracks are here, drop off. Still kind of doing some work over here too. And we'll go take a look at the paper mill. So basically, this is what I've got here for the paper mill.
Actually, Mark, can I grab that stuff from you maybe next week, or can Kris give it to me on Saturday? I'm gonna pretty much all my spare time. I'm gonna work on my layout.
But I'll have to run them. Like, you can have them.
I've still got one more building to build right there.
Pick them down.
Okay, yeah.
And then that's it basically. I don't know exactly if I need anything else for it. I mean, there's those silo things, but I don't have a lot of room for it. So, yeah, and I want to still add like a road going in and across, and then coming up this way basically. And then obviously the truck drop off. There's gonna be a parking lot in there, and it's gonna go off that way, basically.
That's my chance. Check out M&M Rails on YouTube. What's that noise? Oh, it's you. Brandon. No. Shannon. No.
Landon.
Landon. Right.
Yeah.
He's helping Dad sand down the wood.
That's great. That's Amy.
Is that a mini Kris? This is mini Kris right here.
But that's not Kris. That's Daddy.
Oh, it's Daddy.
Yeah. His name.
What's your name again? Your name is?
Daddy.
No, your daddy?
No, I'm Landon.
This is Landon.
No, that's Daddy. I'm Landon.
You're Landon.
Yeah, and that's Daddy.
Okay.
Landon's gonna break the internet.
And what's my name?
You're.
Look right here. Look. What's this thing right here?
Cake. Mark.
Okay.
There, now I have two. Hi. Because I can beat the horn.
Yeah.
When I say hi. Daddy. So that's big. You're big.
Dave.
Still gotta figure out signaling, like signal switches and all that.
Because again, if I did it, I want it so that when the train passes over a piece of track, the light goes on.
Yeah, like a sensor.
Yeah, a sensor. I wouldn't want to flick it by hand because then it kind of beats the purpose, no?
Yeah, that's true. But then you have to put like blocks in, I believe, and
Yeah.
when there's a train at one block, then the light is one color, and then when it...
Oh, yeah. Time to do some switching. Go, slow.
F6. There you go. There you go, the headlights. There you go. Marker lights. So the LRC is just going over just bridge here. It's going to go into the tunnel and take you around to the other side of the tunnel portal. So we got all this fascia cut today. If you follow me on my Facebook there, you'll have seen that it was like solid. But yeah, this is all cut out now, which is good because that was an eyesore. So this goes along, and it's going to be some filler in there along the edge. So as it comes out here, it's going to go up and around the peninsula, around the ethanol plant here. So on an overall look. Still needs a lot of work. Individual buildings need work, and then the actual layout itself needs work. But it's getting there. Grade.
That's right, Mark takes over. M&M rails, cheap plug, cheap plug.
Nothing bad.
Thanks for having me. It's a blast. Loved it.
Thanks for coming.
Lots of fun.
Until next time.
Yeah.